Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick, easy, short meditation video about how to ground yourself to the center of the earth, how to really be grounded energetically. I don't mean you're putting your bare foot on the earth and having that connection, which is a physical connection, which is great too, which is real, but this is an energetic connection, and this will require you to meditate. So if you want to sit down somewhere, relax, I'll give you just a moment to get ready for that. You could be sitting in a chair, you could be leaning back on a couch, it doesn't really matter. You could be laying on the ground flat, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to ask of you to do is to just close your eyes. Maybe take a good deep breath in and then out. And then allow yourself to breathe however is comfortable to you. Focus on your fingertips and focus on your arms and your whole body, and just be aware of the sensation of what it feels like to be in your body. Go ahead and focus on your big left toe. And just notice what comes up for you. Any emotions, feelings, any ideas, any types of energies, any memories. What's the general energy of your big left toe? Focus on your left knee now. What's your left knee like? How does it feel? How does your left knee feel? Maybe in your head, just completely using your imagination, just in a very playful sort of way. Just ask your knee, how's it feel? And get a response back. Maybe ask your left knee, what does it want? It's no right or wrong answer. This is just for play, just for fun. Just using your imagination. It's all you're doing. No effort. Focus on your right big toe now. Notice if this feels different from your left big toe. What is the difference? It doesn't have to be a word. You don't have to put it into words. It could just be a sensation that you can't explain. Just notice the difference, however you notice it. Notice your right knee now. Notice the difference between your left knee and your right knee. Now go ahead and notice the tip of your spine at the very bottom, right where the first chakra would be, right around that area. Just notice what that area feels like. Is it comfortable? Is it stressed? Are you in a panic? How does it feel? Do you like that area? Do you dislike that area? What's the general energy? Just get a sense for it, whatever it might be. There's no right or wrong answers here. This is just using your own imagination. And using that psychic, imaginatory part of your mind, go ahead and imagine that there is a very center to the earth. Just go ahead and get a sense of that, what it feels like. Maybe ask it what it wants. It doesn't have to be a answer in words. It could just be a sense, just what it likes. Or maybe it doesn't like anything. Maybe it's okay. Now the center of the earth, it's a very neutral place. It may want something, but generally it doesn't care about human activities. It doesn't care too much about what's going on the surface of the earth too much. It's not that concerned. And so this is a great place to connect to for neutrality. So go ahead and get a sense of that neutrality within the center of the earth. And imagine, again, focus back on your root chakra at the bottom of your spine. See how that's feeling. Has it changed? Does it feel exactly the same as it did earlier? Now that you've focused on the center of the earth, how does it react? How does the bottom of your spine, root chakra, feel about the center of the earth? Let's go ahead and imagine, just pretend that there is a red line that connects your root chakra at the bottom of your spine all the way to the very center of the earth. And just feel how that feels. In the center of the earth, it's kind of like a vortex that just absorbs whatever charge there is. In the same way that a house will be grounded to the earth, so that if you get electrocuted, the charge will go into the earth instead, and it will neutralize the charge. That exact same way, you can connect to the very center of the earth to neutralize your aura, or just your first chakra for right now. So go ahead, just feel what that connection feels like. You may start relaxing. You may feel yourself slumping down in your chair. You may be breathing slower, or who knows, just how does your body react? Just be aware. Just notice. Go ahead and allow your chakra to spin, move around, allow that energy to be in motion. You can just use your imagination. There's no exact correct way that this needs to be. Just pretend. That's the way to learn. as it spins and moves around and does whatever it does, who knows? Just notice and watch how the center of the earth just kind of pulls down all that charged energy. Just release it. Just allow it to go. Whatever is no longer serving you, whatever is no longer you or your energy, maybe someone else's energy, maybe someone else's concerns, someone else's judgments, someone else's ideas about what makes you safe or unsafe. And the first chakra is all about safety and survival and things of that nature. You can go ahead and let all those worries about what's going to happen, do you have enough money, are you going to survive, just let all that funnel down into the center of the earth. I'm sure there's more there to ground out. This is how you ground. If you don't think there's anything more there to ground out, let that energy spin around, let it move a little bit more. Generally, most people recommend having it spin to the left if you're looking down at it from the center of your head. You would see it moving leftwards. Counterclockwise. There's always more to ground out. There's never something you will finish or complete. And you can go ahead and start releasing energy from everywhere else in your body through that cord if you would like to. But for now, we're really just focusing on the first chakra, which is the most important. Because if you don't feel safe, you're not going to meditate too well. All right. So now that you've done that, you can either imagine that cord explodes and disappears, just imagine it blow up, or you can keep it there, or you can, if you already made it blow up and you want a new one, a fresh one, imagine a different color. Maybe you could go for purple. I would recommend earthy colors. You could do brown as well. Yeah, feel free to play with this and do as you will with it. And go ahead, if you haven't already, take a deep breath in, and then take a breath out and open your eyes. So this is a tool that you can use every day if you like. You can practice it with all of your chakras. You can even do it with your hand chakras, your feet chakras. It doesn't matter. You can do it with your whole body. You can widen it out to your whole body if you want, or your whole aura if you would like. It's more of an advanced technique. I may make more videos where I walk you through that. I feel that you can do this on your own, which is great, but most people, including myself, enjoy being walked through it. Something about it really allows the other person to walk you through it so that your mind doesn't struggle with trying to force it to happen. You can just kind of follow the flow It's much easier. I think that's why hypnotism works too. I'm not hypnotizing you, but it's easier when you have somebody else there to walk you through it. If you like this video and you want more, I'd appreciate if you would let me know what you thought about this meditation, if I went too fast, if I went too slow, and just what you got out of it. I think I'm going to do more meditation videos like this, but I'm not too sure if people are really enjoying them that much. So let me know if you are, and I will be sure to make more. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.